Okay, there's a Lasersaber's little boost box idea that I put together here, a little different than his. I went really towards straight USB power. I don't think there's enough capacity doing it this way for the 12 volt type operation, but it's a great USB 5.5 volt kind of generator and storage device, and these are 100 farad 2.7 volts in series. There's no balance board on this, and I've gone ahead and ordered the same arrangement basically with a balance board, and I'm going to do some experiments with the balance board to see if that's any difference. But I went in here and checked all the voltages and played around with this, and it's filling all these things up pretty much uniformly. Anyway, this is two USB ports here. I've got a ammeter and a voltmeter there just to show this, and then down here are outlets for higher voltages or lower voltages depending on what you set this little switch there for. It's hard to see it, but yeah, this is all the way 3 to 12 volts down here. It won't go to 12 if you don't have 12 volts in there, and I can't seem to get it more than about 11 volts in that for some reason. It slows way down when I get over 10, so I'm not sure what's going on there. But basically this array of capacitors replace a rather high voltage, not a high value, electrolytic capacitor that was down in there. You take that off and you just replace it with these super caps, and you end up with that. And then you can charge up things here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There's the power bank being charged up by the device, and here again it's taking energy in there and putting it in here. Or you can use a light, or Lasersaber was showing a light and a fan. But it's pretty neat that it's a human powered generator with a crank, that you crank this for a couple of minutes and then you get enough energy stored to do something with it, and it's stored in capacitors rather than batteries. These are these 100 farad 2.7 volt super caps put in series, and they allow you with the circuitry in there to do some pretty neat things. But anyway, that's where I'm at with this project. It's pretty successful, and I appreciate Lasersaber you showing that to us. It was a fun little project. I figure on about 40 bucks for the caps if you can find them, and 40 bucks for the generator or so. So under 100 bucks you can have this, and for me it's a really great backup on my boat to charge either the cell phone or the VHF radio that I've got, the little handheld VHF radio. So anyway, that's the project. Thanks for watching.